Yesterday we explained osmotic pressure and law of osmotic pressure. Today we explain want of theory of a dilute solution. Here we write heading want of theory of dilute solutions. It is a very important theory. Yesterday we explained want of Boyle's law, want of Charles' law, and want of Avogadro's law. First of all, we write first law, that is called want of Boyle's law. Here we write according to want of Boyle's law. The expression is pi inversely proportional to V. Here we write pi inversely proportional to V at constant T. We study yesterday. Again we write according to want of Charles' law. This law study yesterday. Mathematical form of this law is pi is directly proportional to temperature T at constant C. C is concentration. Now we write combining both laws, we get, combining both laws we get pi in directly proportional to T upon V. It is a combined form of two laws. Now we convert this symbol in equal. Therefore here we write pi is equal to R into T upon V. Therefore we write pi V is equal to RT. This R is, here we write R is equal to gas constant. R is equal to gas constant. It is also called solution constant. solution constant. This formula is applied if 1 mole of solute dissolved in V liter. Now we write here if n moles of the solute are dissolved. We write if n moles of the solutes are dissolved in V volume of the solution. Here we write if n moles of the solutes are 1 moles of solute are dissolved in V volume of the solution, the equation becomes pi V is equal to nRT. Here we multiply n. This indicates number of moles present in the solution. The number of moles of n present in the solution. Now this V moves right. Therefore we write pi is equal to nVRT. Therefore pi is equal to CRT. C is equal to n upon V. It is a formula of dilute solution. This equation is called, here we write this equation is called want of equation for, we write this equation is called want of equation for dilute solution. Dilute solution. It is also called general want of equation for dilute solution. Next topic we write here we write next topic determination of molar mass of the solute from osmotic pressure. We write determination of molar mass of the solute from osmotic pressure. Here we write molecular mass or molecular weight. Now we write general point of equation for dilute solution. Here equation is, here write according to want of equation for dilute solution. We write here pi is equal to CRT. Pi indicate osmotic pressure, C indicate concentration of the dilute solution, R indicate gas constant, and T indicate temperature. Now C converted into V upon V, N upon V, we write instead of C, N upon V RT. N upon V is concentration of dilute solution, which indicate N moles of the solute dissolved, V liter of the solution. Now we convert N mass upon molar mass. W indicate mass or weight of the solute, and small m indicate molar mass or molecular mass or molecular weight of the solute into RT upon V. These are same as, therefore M move here and equation becomes M is equal to W into R into T upon pi into V. It is a molar mass of the solute, where we write a small m is equal to molar mass of the solute. A small w is equal to mass or weight of the solute in gram. R is equal to gas constant. It is also called solution constant. R is equal, T is equal to temperature in Kelvin. Pi is equal to osmotic pressure. V is equal to volume of the solution.